first of all, thanks to my Allah who able to make me say something in the front of you. In the name of Allah is most merciful, is most beneficial. Today I am going to discuss on how to download Texmaker, Texstudio, and Miktex and TexLive. And these are software used for the LaTex, and I give the 4 link in the description. Uh, click on the first link. Open page like this. Okay, this page is open. You click on the download. Okay, and after that come to the bottom and Texmaker for 34 byte, and click on for this is for window, and click on this one. This is a zip file, and you click OK. After some time this file is downloaded, and cancel to this one. OK, and after that now click on the second link to open the page like this. Okay, come to the bottom and click on download. And click on this one. I have already downloaded, and I'm click on cancel. Okay, and now click on the third link. Open the page like this in Texstudio, and click on the download. Okay, and after some time the Texstudio download, and I have already downloaded. Now I click on cancel. Okay, now and third link, click on the click on the fourth link and open the page like this. Okay, and click on TexLive ISO. Okay, and click on the download. This is 4 GB file. This is all packages for the LaTex, and cancel because I have already downloaded. Okay, and cancel. No, and sorry, and this file I have already downloaded all these 4, and link 1 and 1, link 2, and link 3 Texstudio, and link 4 TexLive. Okay, and first we install and click on the Texmaker. Okay, and accept and click on install, and after some time will immediately install. Okay, click on finish, and okay, and this is the Texmaker, and close it. And next and I'm going to install Miktex. Double click, okay, and accept. Click on next and click on this one, install Texmaker for anyone. Next and next and next and start. Okay, now after some time the software will be installed. Okay, and click on next. Okay, and this okay, and click on next and close. Okay, this is the installation of the Miktex, and now I'm going to install the Texstudio. Click on the Texstudio, double click and click on next. Okay, and next install after some time. And click on close. Okay, now I'm going to install the TexLive, but the TexLive installation very carefully. When we click on install, I'm see you will open and right click and run administration. Okay, and after some time click and waiting. Okay, and okay, and install. You click on install. Okay, but this 4,152 packages, it's take at least 40 or 30 minutes. But the common mistake is that the package is complete option and screen in the bottom is done. The people click on this button, not click on this button, because if you click on this, the TexLive will not work. The package is not styled. Okay, when it complete, so cancel the close button appear. When no, click the close. I'm repeat it. When it complete, okay, in TexLive complete, so the close button appear. May I'm also say in Urdu, आप जो कॉमन मिस्टेक यहाँ पर करते हैं कि TexLive के ये पैकेज मैंने इंस्टॉल किया है इसलिए ये नहीं इंस्टॉल होगा, और ये इंस्टॉलेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है। ये 4152 पे पैकेजेस है। ये इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद डन स्क्रीन पर यानी बॉटम पर डन का बटन आ जाते हैं। लोग समझते हैं कि ये इंस्टॉल हो गया और इस पर क्लिक कहते हैं। इस पर क्लिक कभी नहीं करना कि आफ्टर सम टाइम डन के बाद भी ये प्रोसेस चल रहा होता है एंड कुछ वक्त के बाद क्लोज का बटन अपीयर हो जाता है, तो फिर इस क्लोज पर क्लिक करना। ओके, थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग एंड थैंक यू। Because I am download already and I'm installed already. Okay, thanks for watching.